A secret admirer keeps leaving flowers for a woman on her front porch. See what happens next. Cat lovers are a unique lot. Cats tend to behave in mysterious ways. They eat food off the street. They are all over the place. They enjoy spinning in an office chair. They enjoy a scratch. They love cuddles. They may even enjoy an iPad. The cat you are about to meet will make your day. Rosie moved into her new home. She started to notice pink flowers nearly every day on her porch. She thought she had a secret admirer. Suddenly one day she discovered her secret admirer. She grabbed her camera and captured the adorable secret admirer. Meet Rosie's secret admirer, Willow. Rosie has fallen in love with Willow. Willow brings a flower for Rosie every day till date. Why wouldn't she? Come fall in love with flowers and cats. If you would like a pet-friendly garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. You can also call us at 8804 Your friendly neighborhood gardener is waiting for you.